What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Too Fast Garage. I'm here with James. We're picking up his twin turbo Mustang. We're meeting up with our friend Kevin. He owns a detailing company. We're gonna get this Mustang winterized and get it ready to be stored for a couple months.
The worst time of the year.
If you're from Staten Island, you know the drives to get E85 is no joke. How far is it to get E85?
I think like an hour 15.
An hour 15, so guess what he does? We're gonna take like one or two of those jugs, which equates to like 10 gallons, two of them, because they're 5 gallons each. And we're gonna bring them in the car, we're gonna fill it with fuel, then we're gonna head over to the detail. Let's see if you get some traction.
First gear pull.
It wasn't bad, bro.
That wasn't that bad.
That wasn't bad.
Oh shit, God.
Where?
I don't know, up there somewhere.
Woo! We haven't felt that in a couple weeks. When was the last time you drove it?
Poconos, really.
Bro. Alright, now we're awake. I don't even need the coffee. Alright guys, we're here with Kevin.
What's up, guys? What's going on? How you doing?
He's the owner of bevins.auto.steam. He's gonna work on James's car right now. Kev, what are you gonna do to this car today?
So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you guys how we detail cars. We do 100% steam cleaning on the exterior and the interior of vehicles. We offer full disinfectant sterilizations on the interior of the cars, as well as ventilation cleanings. We do steam cleaning of the carpets, extraction of the carpets, and for the outside we do a full clay bar, wax, paint sealant as well. Take a walk. So what I got here basically is a four-door. What a four-door is, it has a Lamborghini engine inside of it. It's a third-party component. Lamborghini doesn't actually own the machine. They actually just own the engine that's built inside of the machine. So basically what this machine is able to do is, as you can see, it's at 16 bars. This is our max pressure. It's at 232 psi. So the machine's actually heated up to about 380 degrees, and it pushes out 232 psi. So it's more effective on car paint. It's a lot safer on car paint. We tend to stay away from scratches, micro swirls, stuff like that. Basically, the whole background to this business is because at every other car wash that we've seen, they don't take care of your car. And I know a lot of people that like to take care of their vehicle, and I'm one of them. So this is why we got this. So basically, if you could see, James's car is pretty clean. You know, he takes care of it pretty well. But if you feel it, it's still got that little bit of a rough feel. And now that's not actually scratching the paint. That's just because it's not coated. So basically, when we do a deep clean on the car, we do a full paint sealant on the car. And it's an oil-based paint sealant. What the oil-based paint sealant does is it gives it that glossy effect. Everything that somebody's really looking for. You know, that glossy effect, something to protect the vehicle as well, and just make it clean.
It's crazy,
Yo, that's sick. It's easy, baby.
What the fuck you just talking about?
Yo, my mind is blown right now on how this works.
Sick, right?
And like the water's cold. I would think that it's hot because of the steam.
Well, nah, it's only hot as fuck like when you get near it.
Like if you
like when it's okay, now I see it smoking, but
like if you touch this thing, you
You're gonna burn yourself.
Alright, so basically, what we got going on here right now, Nicky G, as we call him, he's steam cleaning the paint. He's prepping the paint for our paint sealant. Basically what Nick is doing is he's using about 250 PSI to blast off any debris, any dirt, any dust, anything that's on the car paint that would be abrasive when we go to wipe. So what he's doing with the steamer is the heat actually is able to get rid of all this stuff that's on the car, making it for a nice clean finish, nice prep surface, and then we do the paint sealant.
Sick.
Yo, I'm looking at that panel and the door, like the car's already cleaned, and I'm looking at the difference. Yo, just look how much, like, I can't even explain it. Look at the difference between that panel and just this door.
And then this is before we had the paint sealant on it. So basically, like I was saying before, all Nick is doing is he's prepping the surface to make sure there's not any dirt on it whatsoever. Because what the machine does is it actually acts as a clay bar. I mean, certain cars we do have the clay bar on top of it, but for basic cars that, you know, the way James keeps his Mustang, if I could call it a Mustang, I don't really know if it's even a Mustang.
Rocket ship.
Rocket ship.
So now we're gonna what? Do that around the whole car?
Yeah, so basically Nick's gonna prep the whole entire car. He's gonna steam clean everything. And then from there, we're gonna do a full paint sealant.
Like anything crazy, but like it's crazy the difference.
It's this, you know what it is? Listen, the way that I wanted to start this business is because it's also eco-friendly. You know what I'm saying? I could come to your house and I'm not leaving a trail of 300 gallons of water with soap and bullshit dripping down the driveway.
Like, look at this kid that's always fucking calling me when he needs something. Let's see, I bet you it's about me working on his car.
Who's that, Joe?
Yeah.
Tell me how I guessed that. Let me talk to him.
What do you need me to install?
Fuck you, bro.
So basically what this is this is what we use rather than ceramic coatings. We actually use a Kevlar coating. What a Kevlar coating is it creates a ceramic bonded synthetic fiber around the whole entire car, creating a shell, protects it from its basic rock chips, UV rays. You can actually put a key to Kevlar, scratch the car, and then wipe it off, and it won't leave a mark. It's pretty fucking sick shit.
I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm blown away with this fucking machine. I've never seen anything like it. So when he was telling me he was steam cleaning it, I kind of had an idea, but I didn't know it was like this, where you just steam it, there's no water on the floor. I mean, there's a little bit of water, but it's clean. There's no soap everywhere. Like, I thought it was more like a soap gun, where you would, you know, soap the whole thing, you'll wash it off, but nah, this is clean all around. That's crazy. And the difference it does just by going on from one panel to another, this changes the game.
Yo, for real, it does. Even like the reflection, like I'm looking at it from like the roof, and then I'm looking at it from this side. It's like blurry on top, but then on the side it's like 4K.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to see that, bro.
He does.
This is why we only have 30 subscribers. You do stupid
of you.
shit. You do stupid shit.
Because of you.
Every fucking time.
We didn't put you on fucking TikTok.
Yo, is this even my car anymore?
I made that black as shit. What the fuck is this thing? Oh, makes sense.
Alright, so basically, this whole surface is prepped. Nick cleaned the whole entire thing. As you can see, it's nice and smooth. It's nice and clean. So what we're going to do now is we're going to apply an oil-based paint sealant. We spread it evenly throughout the whole entire car. We let it saturate into the paint. Basically what it does is it gives it that high gloss that you're looking for, that UV protection, just to keep the car shining over the next couple of weeks. You know, give it that gloss that everybody's looking for. This way, when they come back for the next visit, we do it once a month. 3 weeks later, they come back, do it right again. The car always looks like this. So we're going to spray it onto the car. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually just spread it out evenly across the entire panel.
This is first gear.
Bro, this shit's crazy.
And we spun.
Yeah.
Half of that we spun.
I definitely heard that. Felt that.
Yeah, half of that we definitely spun. This is first gear.
Bro, this shit's crazy.
Bro, I don't think I've ever been in a car like this.
We spun like half of that.
I heard it. Holy shit. Now I see why you need these fucking
Yeah.
things, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
Holy shit.
It's a fast race car. Right, just hit the fucking windshield with the
That was a lot of spinning.
How'd that feel? How'd that feel?
So we just completed a full exterior detail on Jarvis here. If you guys live in the Staten Island, New Jersey area, feel free to check out our Instagram. It's at bevins.auto.steam.
I'll keep it in the link down below.
Awesome. Yeah, you guys check us out. If you have any questions about our work, looking to get something done, feel free to reach out. We'll take you in with open arms.
Guys, I'm gonna post a couple of pictures right here that he does do high-end cars. So if you do have Lamborghinis or anything that's high-end, he does do them. He's not scared to do them, and he has experience on them. So
I'm not a baby.
no,
I can
no,
handle
he's
it.
not.
I can handle
Did
it.
you not see the Lamborghini machine?
It's a Lamborghini machine. Nah. But yeah, you know, like I said, it's 100% safer on every vehicle. So if you do have a car that is, you know, in that cost range where we're talking $100,000, $200,000, it would be a lot smarter to use us rather than bring it to a regular hand car wash, someone that doesn't really take care of your car the way we do.
If you want to find them, like I said, I'm gonna keep his Instagram down in the bio. All right, let's put it back in the garage. No more wasting time. Thank you.
You got it,
I
boys.
appreciate you.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Bro.
All right, we're done now. We're gonna bring the car back. It's clean, it's ready for the winter, so you won't be seeing this car for a little bit. I mean, we might do a couple of installs, but I definitely want to feel this again before it goes back in. Go on, give me a little hit. Fuck yourself. And here's a sneak peek, but we're not gonna tell you what it is yet. We'll be installing a button very soon.
Ooh, I like buttons.
Alright, but I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next Thursday. We got a cool car coming.